Researchers at Cometsa Laboratories have developed a lifelike humanoid robot with adjustable personality functions. They believe the combination of artificial life replications and unexpected personality traits is the wave of the future in education. Let's watch a classroom experiment with Saya, whose humor, sarcasm, and severity functions have been set to 95%.
Last time we talked about how you have to be careful when reducing the verbs be and have in relative clauses. Let's look at an example with be. Androids, which are now found in many classrooms, have been giving some students recurring nightmares. Some of you reduced this to androids, being now found in many classrooms, have been giving some students recurring nightmares. This just sounds stupid. What's wrong with you? The correct answer is androids, now found in many classrooms, have been giving some students recurring nightmares. Outside of the present continuous form, the verb form being is reserved for certain instances in English. You can use it to describe a state of being. For example, being an android has its perks. You can engage in immoral behavior without any of the guilt. Also consider the following sentences. This being your first offense, I will overlook it. That being said, the next offense will result in your dog being put to sleep. In the first part, this being means because this is. That being said could also be rephrased as having said that, both of which introduce an idea that contradicts your previous statement. The last part is an unusual form of the passive. We could rewrite the whole sentence as, because this is your first offense, I will overlook it. However, the next offense will mean that your dog will be put to sleep. Let's now look at an example with have. Saya is the android teacher who has the most adjustable functions. Some of you wrote, Saya is the android teacher having the most adjustable functions. Wrong again. It makes me cry inside. Remember that you can never use having when the word implies possession. Having can only be used with states of being. Androids who are having a difficult time adjusting to human society will be taken out of service. This can be reduced to the following. Androids having a difficult time adjusting to human society will be taken out of service. But be careful of this type of relative clause reduction. It is most often found in such places as legal documents or sets of rules. Have you finally understood? God, I hope so.